Good afternoon or evening, everybody. We're gonna do a fun project. It's cozy, it's nice. It's for outside, for inside. It's romantic. Good for the long winter evenings. We're gonna put our candle in. At the evening we will burn it and you will see all through this house all the lights of the candle. It's very, very nice. You have it in, so don't throw your old jars away. This one has made from a bigger jar. So this one is for outside. This one is for inside. So today we're gonna make one. Let's get started. Gonna put them away. We're gonna start. Today we're gonna make for this little jar. Let's begin in making a round for the bottom. Start with a magic loop. And we're gonna crochet 8 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull on that thread. Now we're gonna make a slip stitch. The previous round. Make 1 loop and make 8 stitches. So in each previous stitch you make another one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're gonna do again a slip stitch. I'm using hook number 3 and my yarn is acrylic. Again, make a loop, then in the next stitch, previous round, we're gonna do 2 stitches, 1, 2 in the same. We're gonna do this for the whole row. So we're gonna have 16 stitches. Gonna see you at the end of that row.